Alright guys, we're going flying in the basement today because of Corona. So I got my headset here. My boy Glenny's supposed to meet up with me just now. And he's going to hang out for a bit and we rip. This is the closest contact I get to human contact and staying COVID safe. So stay tuned for a little bit. The next episode coming right here.
I am the ghost.
We're pretty much good. We're here in the basement. Shit, there's a lot of cars down here. Hopefully I don't fuck up somebody's car. Not possible with the ghost flying. Got a nice little stretch down here. And all the way to the bend down there. This way don't still, well, this car doesn't fucking move. Shut out. We're about to get everything set up here. I don't know. Yo, shit, what's that?
What's that? Fast and Furious shit, man.
Yo, so you're in this?
Yeah, upstairs, this shit's gonna fucking take Papa with it.
Yo.
That shit lights up there.
Yeah, let me check that out, brother. Fuck, it's good to see you, brother. You know, super nerd shit. Yeah, bro. Woo. Yeah, you're on this quick.